In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add songs to Apple Music from computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a PC or laptop and you are able to connect your iPhone to it, you will be able to add songs manually. So for this method, you need to connect it to a PC, laptop, and open iTunes. Once you connect it here, your device is going to be detected. You can download iTunes for Windows through the Microsoft Store if you need it, and once you open it, the devices should be listed at the left. Make sure that it appears here, either an iPhone, an iPod, whatever you have, and if it isn't listed, then double check the connection. If you choose music, you will see all of the songs that you currently have loaded on your library, and if you want to add new ones, go into Library at the top, choose Songs. Now find all of the songs that you want to add to Apple Music, and all that you have to do is drag and drop. There's no secret. So select all of the songs, or one at a time, drag and drop them into here. Once all of the songs that you would like to add to Apple Music have been loaded into the library, then you can select all of them, right-click, and choose the option to add to device. Now the device that you connected to your PC will appear. This can be an iPhone, iPad, it doesn't matter. Choose the particular device that you will be using, and the songs will be transferred over here. Now, the last thing to do to ensure that everything syncs up properly is to go to Edit, choose the Preferences, and make sure that iCloud Music Library is ticked on. This will store your Apple Music songs and playlists in iCloud, so you will be able to access them from all of your devices, as long as you sign into your iCloud account. And with this done, all of the songs that you have transferred over with iTunes will appear on the songs library inside of Apple Music. You can transfer as many as you wish, and they are all going to appear listed here with song title, cover, and so on. It is easy to do, and you simply have to connect your device to a PC or laptop. I hope I was able to help you on how to add songs to Apple Music from computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.